How do you take the weight of that sadness from a child and tell them that it's all their fault? 38 hours without sandwiches. It's so hot in our house after time, it's impossible to eat a Magnum quick enough. Oh, to be a fly on the wall of the gravy household.
That's the problem with 9/11. The queues got a lot worse, didn't they?
Imagine being a bouncer on Greg's, by the way. You'd be the laughing stock of the bouncer world, wouldn't you? Your mates would be like, oh, have a good night at work, Dave. Try not to get any crumbs on yourself.
I think it's for just cheese that you find.
Was the window stained before or just after?
Yes, let's take a look is my line.